Gold and silver yet again started off the day on a massively bullish note, hitting the highs at 33.87, while silver has also moved now towards 33.10. So can we expect this is a exceptional bull run again, which is going to take it towards 3,500 levels for gold and $35 levels for silver? Or the highs are done and we are ready for a reversal? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicate. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now, for gold, 33.20 was the key resistance, and I have mentioned 33.20, 33.40 as the key resistance zone yesterday. What has happened today? See, yesterday it has consolidated around 33.20 and 40, and today it has given a massive breakout here. And you can see how it has moved, the rise, the sideways movement, then the rise. So it is still staying in this bullish zone. It is delivering higher highs, higher lows. And thus it is very, very important for gold to first break below 33.40, then 33.20. Only below 33.20 we can expect slight bearishness, and if it trades below 3300, that is the reversal, else gold is staying bullish as of now. Now see a pullback here, a swing, and the current candle will decide the fate of gold. Possibility exists that it can erase the gains from this candle. However, this is the zone you should watch out for, 33.40, 33.20. This was the resistance earlier, this should be the support now. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD, if you see, it has seen a good hike here. A possibility of a convergence or reversal exists, but as long as it does not cross over, do not treat this, it is reversing. RSI is overbought, just coming out of the overbought zone here with one bearish candle. Coming to 2 hour chart, on the 2 hour charts, moving average is crossing over here. Good sign for the bulls. And see, this is trading in this channel, which is an exceptional bullish channel here. And again, 33.40, 33.20 on the downside, it should break in order to reverse. Now look on the upside, what has happened here. See, first of all, the last candle, the body size is greater than half of the complete move. This suggests there is inherent bullishness here. Second thing here is it has breached past the resistance, and see, this was the highs here. It has come towards the same zone, 33.88. See this candle, you can see a pullback here, and this is the same zone it has achieved here. And I have mentioned in my weekly review as well that first at around 33.60, 70, and then towards 33.88, and this is the zone it needs to break, because once it stays beyond 33.88, the possibility of a move towards 34.24, 34.50 will be very, very high. Crossover in the moving averages suggests that it has formed a nice flag and it is reversing. However, let's wait for it to confirm. Stochastic looking down, MACD trading sharply bullish, RSI is overbought here. On the 3-hour charts, and you see similar observation here, the support at around 3300 20, 3340 zone, very, very strong. And then see the moving averages here also crossing over here on the buy side, which is a good sign for the bulls. Also notice just one worry point which I am having right now. If you connect the highs and the lows here, now see, I have drawn a parallel channel here. Look at the lows beautifully aligned, and if you align the highs here, you will find 3400, 3400 08, 3424. This is the zone which should offer a greater resistance for gold for any upside move. If it starts to move, see, if it is willing to stay in this bearish channel, I think this should be the resistance. It may try to achieve this zone, and then with the FOMC or Fed, we can possibly expect a reversal here. Yes, it is very much possible that today's bullishness might get erased tomorrow with the FOMC, but right now it is not showing any such sign. Now see, this stochastic here is also overbought. The MACD is trading with exceptional divergence and bullishness. The RSI is overbought here. Coming to 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts here, see increasing body size, increasing bullishness, and this is something it can try to create, where it can move towards 3400, 3400, 08 and 3400, 2024 zone. Possibility exists here. Right now not showing any signs of bearishness, but notice on the other hand, if you connect the highs here, you can find out it has given a breakout, but slightly I can see a struggle. So now if you see gold trading above 33.66, 68, you can initiate a buy, expect 33.80, 33.88, then 3400, 3408 and 3424 level should appear. Yes, it is showing a greater strength for continuing the upside move here. The moving averages are crossing over here, which is a good sign for the bulls here. The support levels are far below 33.40 first, 33.20 second, 3300 third, 32.90, 92 the second, 32.70 the third. And see, these are going to be far below levels, but yes, if it can rise sharp, it can drop sharp as well. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is near to top. Coming to daily, now see on the daily charts, we have discussed that diminishing bearishness, it has created a flat one massive bullish candle, and now it is trying to stay in the zone here. Now just see this. If you connect it here, you can find out the highs here and here are almost same, and today is the second green candle in succession. Now see, as long as it respects 3300 3320 zone, we can possibly expect a breakout move here which can take it all the way towards 3400 3424 levels. Now if you see the move here, what it may try to do is this is a long term, because see, it has seen the support here at 3200 3240, and with that as support, it is trying to bounce back. As long as it stays below 3424 levels, the possibility of reversal will be high, but once it breaks 3424, we can expect gold to move towards 3500 again. And today is the day which will decide the fate of gold for the next few sessions. Stochastic rising. Now see, MACD after crossing over at the top here, it is trying to converge. Remember, it has not yet crossed over. This convergence does not mean a reversal. As long as it fails to cross over, the possibility of a downside move will be very, very high. And that is why I say this is highly probable that with the FOMC, prices might reverse. RSI is looking upwards. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries. Now see, mentorship batch, the 32nd batch started yesterday, 33rd batch is scheduled on the first week of June. Do not miss to register for it. Reserve your seats now, we only have limited intake. Now, considering this, I will recommend you to buy gold today. If you see it is staying above 3366, expect it to move towards 3372, 3380, 3388, and then 3400, 3408, 3424. These are the levels, these are the resistances. You can keep trailing. Remember, if it rises fast, it can drop sharp as well. If not today, then tomorrow. Let's watch out how it behaves at around 3388 levels, 3400 levels. These are going to remain key resistances on the upside. Any move beyond 3424, you can stay bullish for the next few sessions. It might hit 3500 again. While on the downside, the selling entry now is limited at 3352 levels, where you can expect 3340 first, 3320 second, or rather I will say 3340 first, 3330 the second, and 3320 the third. Once these three levels are taken, I can expect a great drop. Likewise with silver on the hourly charts, you can see the moving average is crossing over here, trading with divergence, is staying bullish here, and silver is also delivering higher highs. Now if you connect this, you can find out the highs for silver are going to be somewhere here at around 3330 3360 zone, and this is the zone which should offer a maximum resistance. And then you also know that on the upside now 3375 it need to break, and if it trades beyond 3375 levels, you see this is the flag, and now once it breaches this, it is going to head all the way towards 3450 and $35 levels possibly. The stock as here is overbought. The MACD is trading with divergence and bullishness. The RSI is overbought here. Coming to 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts, similar observation here. See this. This is how it has formed a flag, and now it is giving a breakout here. And now see, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, looking upwards consistently, delivering higher highs. Now 3310 is a good level for us to take a buying position, but I will say 3340 3350 you should watch out for, and then you can expect 3375 the next targets here. Moving averages starting to converge, the stochastic overbought, the MACD rising, the RSI rising. Signs are still very much supportive for further rise. On the 3 hour charts, my only consideration here is, if you see the charts here, you can find out this is the larger channel here, this is the larger trend here, and it is still delivering lower highs and lower lows. So now it is very, very important for silver to trade beyond 3375. That is the only level above which you should trade this for a reversal, else it is a retracement and it can fall again. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising, signs are supportive for further bullishness. On the 4 hour, similar observation. Moving average is convergent, strong bullish candle outside Bollinger Bands, and hence you have to watch out with caution, specifically at around 33 20 25, then towards 33 50 40. and then 3375 levels. If these levels are taken, it is going to the stochastic rising. The MACD has crossed over, it is divergent and bullish. The RSI rising here. Coming to daily, on the daily charts here, after this nice flag, it is giving a breakout. It has formed a very good support, very good base at 32, trying to give you a breakout here. And now it is very, very important for it to stay beyond 3375 in order to confirm the bullish reversal. Right now I can say a possible hurdle is seen here, and which you should be watchful of. You can buy here at 3310, or but then be cautious of 3320, very nearby resistances, then 3350 the second, and then 3375. While on the downside, the selling entry today is only below 3280 levels, below which you can expect 3260, 40, 20. And if it trades below 32, that is the time you can say this is a reversal, which I think it is going to be difficult. It might not breach $32 levels here today at least. So take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.